Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I made slime. I forgot to film. It's because my battery was so low. It was up to 5%. And my charger was slow. Jump, jump. Oh! Oh! Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up. So, oh! And 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Okay, now I'm gonna do the bubble. Let me just get this prepared. Okay, it's prepared. Ah! It broke apart. Well, it didn't break apart. Okay. Do you think this is normal? Try to guess. That is not normal. I thought there was gonna be a... I spy with my little eye, a little camera facing little me. I spy with my little eye, a girl and I get too many likes. I don't know the song, so I don't. So don't judge me if I sing it wrong. Fine. Okay, so this is really fun. And thank you for your support on one video. Please continue that. Please, I need it. Okay, so gonna let it get growed and growed. Okay. Oh, no! I think it grew too much. And I did a bubble! Happy birthday to me. My birthday passed already. That's so crunchy. I didn't even add the crunch. It's because of the sprinkles. Look. Like what is wrong? I got a lot of money. I'm always staring at something. Bye, guys.